This is a super cool new tool from SKIL where you can just use 2 bits at the same time, a drill bit and a driver bit, so you don't have to keep swapping bits. And it has some cool features you're gonna wanna check out. The next tool you've probably never seen before is this, I think, pretty new SKIL drill / driver. And what makes this very unique is this pivot mechanism where you can operate both a drill bit and a driver bit in tandem, so you don't have to be swapping bits constantly if you only have one drill. And this has a bunch of cool little features that you should know about. First, what you get in the package is the drill itself. You also get a drill bit and a driver bit set, and then you get the charger and the battery. And what I like about this is even if you have other battery platforms that you're in, this doesn't have a big giant charger. It's literally just almost like an iPhone charger where it has the little brick and then it has the USB-C cable. So you can charge this on USB-C. Right in the front, you're gonna plug that in, or if you already have SKIL stuff, you could drop it in a SKIL charger. Let's look at the features, then I'll show you how it works. So it does have this LED light right there if you should need that. And then it has 2 speeds, a flip switch right in there, 1 and 2. This is a 1/4" drive, so all of your 1/4" bits will work if you already have some of those. And then to flip that around, you just install it like you always do, push this button, and then this flips right round. You spin me right round, baby, right round. Then you can install a drill bit if you have these that have the 1/4" driver heads on them, which is included actually, so it's nice. On top there is a magnet close to the back so you can drop in bits, extra screws, things like that if you're carrying this up the ladder, so that's always good to have. Down inside here is where you can change the speed settings from just drill. It just turns into a D. And then over here is the screwdriver part, and you go from 1 all the way to 9. It has 9 speed settings. Now this is not an impact driver, this is a screwdriver. And where I think this will be very handy is if you do cabinets and things like that, because you don't want to over tighten those hinge screws. Stuff like that will be perfect for this. Where this is going to come in beneficial is a couple of other ways too. Number one, if you do a lot of pilot holes and then you drive the screw, you don't have to have 2 drills on hand. This is going to take the place of both of those. And it works well. It flips around fast. You can see I can drill the hole, flip it around, drive the screw. Works extremely well. Now this is an electric screwdriver, but it does have quite a bit of power if you set it on the setting number 1. It gives it more torque. Number 2 setting is a faster speed, but you have less torque. So you'll see when you step through the settings of 1 all the way through 9, it's basically like the torque settings on your drill. The lower it goes, the more it'll let it slip. It's kind of how this is working here, and I like to see that because on a number 1 setting, if you're using some very tiny screws, you don't want to strip those out, especially if you're putting in hinges and things like that, or more delicate stuff. If you're making like decorative boxes and things, you don't want to strip that out. And you're not using hand tools, you probably should, but this will let you dial in the sensitivity so that it doesn't strip those out. Number 1 setting is very sensitive, and as you step up, you'll see that it gives a little more torque with each one. And if you do need that extra torque, again, flip it down to the number 1 setting, and you can drive a screw all the way through a 2x6 into a piece of walnut, and it does a really good job. So it has plenty of power for that reason. Now, it's not an impact driver. If you need an impact driver, then you would buy one of those if you're really driving lag bolts and things like that. But for a screwdriver that also flips around and does drilling operations, this is fantastic. Now there's one place I wish they would have improved on this design. If they would allow, well, first off, you can see that only one of these is spinning at a time, so you don't have to worry about your fingers or something getting twisted up in there, which I think is a good design. However, if they would do this one thing, this would be absolutely a game changer. If you could flip this to the side and still have one of these active so that I could drive a screw at a 90-degree angle, much like this attachment, which allows you to get into those tight spaces, 90-degree turns. If this done that, it would lock in at a 90-degree, game over. This would be amazing. But even with that not being the case, I think this is an extremely innovative and very cool tool from SKIL, of all people, from SKIL. This is a good brand, and I've been more and more impressed with them over the last couple of years, starting with their table saw and some other things I've reviewed on the channel. SKIL is back, baby. If you know someone or a group of someone somewhere online that would enjoy seeing this tool video, be sure and share that with them. But before you go, hit that subscribe button, or you can check out that next video. I think you're gonna like it as well.